This is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm just out on a trail here. I see a worker working on the REM right away here. Making a cistern or something, I don't know. And he's got this little cart here. Whoa, watch it roll away! That's funny. Obviously the cart there was attached to the HiRail Excavator. This was very much a fluke. Didn't know this was going to be here when I came. I'm actually heading through these trails to head towards the Perry Island Bridge. Is there like a little bar between? I guess there's a bar. Yeah, because that thing's rolling back, but so is the excavator, so it must be connected. Yeah, pretty cool.